Today we're going to make one of my favorite noodle dishes, Chili Crisp Peanut Noodles. This is such an amazing dish to make for a quick lunch for yourself or bigger gatherings like picnics or dinner parties. To start with, you'll need Chili Crisp. Lao Gan Ma is the brand most people know, but there's a growing number of smaller companies making Chili Crisp you can buy in stores. Also, the terms Chili Crisp and Chili Oil pretty much mean the same thing. Today I'm using this jar from Blank Slate. For the noodles, I'm using mafaldine pasta, which has jagged edges like Chinese knife-cut noodles. You can really use any noodle or pasta you have on hand. On to prepping. First, we want to cut the cucumber into matchsticks. Next, we want to finely chop the garlic. I chop garlic like a mini onion, but you can use your preferred method or use a garlic press. Then we want to lightly toast the garlic over medium or medium-high heat. Carefully watch the garlic to make sure it doesn't burn. Now it's time for the sauce. Peanut butter, soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup as a sweetener, though you could sub honey or sugar, and of course the Chili Crisp. Stir everything together, then add the toasted garlic. Next, we boil the noodles and cook them to al dente. Once the noodles are done, you can toss them with the peanut sauce. I find it easiest to toss them in the pot since my mixing bowls aren't big enough. I add half the cucumber, then toss again. After you plate the noodles, you can add the remaining cucumber on top and sprinkle on some sesame seeds. You can serve these noodles warm or at room temperature. They're spicy, smoky, full of nutty richness, and absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Click on the subscribe button for more food-related videos.